Okay, let's give you guys an integration problem. So y equals x squared is this red line here. So is this red line here. So y equals x squared looks like this. And if you stick a 2 in front of it, it just makes it steeper. And then when you minus 1, it just drags that graph down, giving you this blue line here. Anyway, work out this area here. And it seems like you're integrating from -1 to 1. But you can't always trust Desmos, so let's double check this. So set this to be the same as this. When will the two intersect? So let's just double check that it is indeed from -1 to 1. So it would then be this 2x squared minus 1. So take away x squared from both sides. So that would then be x squared minus 1 equals 0. Add 1 and then square root. When you square root, you get the positive version and the negative version. So it is correct from -1 to 1. Well, anyway, find this area here. So press pause and have a go. Okay, so to do this, we need to set up the integral. So area equals from -1 to 1. From -1 to 1 of something dx. But here's the thing, because I know this is symmetrical along the y-axis, because well, this is symmetrical, so rather than working out the area from -1 to 1, I'm just going to do it from 0 to 1 of that thing. So I'm working out half of the area, because when you evaluate integral, it's really nice and easy when it's a 0. So I'll work out half the area, and because I know it's symmetrical, I'm going to multiply the whole thing by 2. So this would be the same thing. So work out half of the area, and once you've got the half area, then multiply by 2. So we are currently here at the moment. We need to sum up all the heights in between the two. So we need to do this. We need to sum up all the heights in between the two. So let's say x is currently here. Hang on. Let's say x is currently here. How do we obtain this height? So area equals in two lots of the integral from 0 to 1 something dx. How do we obtain this height? Well, you would jump to the red line, which is x squared, and then you would take away the location of the blue line. Take away the location of the blue line. So let me just illustrate this. So let's just imagine, hang on, let's just imagine you're currently here at x. When you jump to the red line, it will give you this height here. I know it's less than 1, but let's just imagine this height is, I don't know, let's say 3. So just imagine that this it has a height of 3. And then you take away, and then when you jump to the blue line, let's just imagine the blue line is -4. So when you jump to the blue line, just imagine the blue line is -4. So you can see that -3 take away negative number, it would be 3 plus 4, meaning that you get this height of 3, and then even though it's a minus here, you actually plus the number 4, giving you a height of 7. So this is actually correct. If you blindly just follow this, it will give you the height in between the two. So you're summing up all the heights here from 0 to 1. So we are currently here at the moment. So now tidy this up. So this will then become negative, and then this will become a positive. So that will then be 2 integral from 0 to 1 x squared minus 2x. Multiply this out. So that will then be a plus 1 dx. And then now this, combining these two together, it would be a minus x squared. So I'm just going to move this 1 in front. So 1 minus x squared dx from 0 to 1, 2 lots of it. And then now integrate it. So it would then be, so a equals, leave the 2 here and just concentrate on evaluating this. So that would be, integrating it would then be, when you integrate this, it would be x. When you integrate this, it would be x to the power 3 over 3 from 0 to 1. Remember, you have to evaluate this thing first. Once you've got the answer, then you multiply by 2. So now put 1 into here, so that will then be put 1 into there, that will then be 1. Put 1 into here, that will then be a third, like this, and then you take away, and then when you put 0 into here, it would be 0. When you put 0 into here, it would be 0. So just ignore the second part. So that will then give you this. Then merge these two together. Merge these two together. So that would be like 3 over 3, take away 1 over 3, which would then be 2 over 3. 2 over 3, and then this gets multiplied to the top, giving you 4 over 3. So that area right at the top is 4 over 3. This area here is 4 over 3. Okay.